Hey guys, it's Curly Kenny here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you are not new, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Pow Gel, the new Main Choice Pow Gel, compares to my favorite gel, the Main Choice Crystal Orchard Styling Gel. This is my favorite gel from the Main Choice line, so stay tuned. I will show you what the finished result is, okay? And as usual, the products will be listed below as well as in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into this video. Starting off with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. I go ahead and go through section off the hair, detangle it with my detangling brush to make sure there's no kinks or tangles. In this clip, I have applied some gel on my hands and then I just worked it through that section there. As you can see, it does have a good slip. It brings some shine to my hair. Now, the definition is not bad. It is a little bit fluffier than with the Main Choice biotin infused gel, but it's not bad. And I just continue on like I do with all of my wash and goes, just work through each section, part a small section within that section off, and kind of detangle with my fingers. I add water if necessary with the spray bottle. I got that spray bottle from Sally's Beauty Supply. So I'll just wet the section right before I put the gel on and distribute it through that section. Section clean, wet, or damp hair. Apply a sufficient amount of gel to each section from root to end to set desired style. Air dry, or for fast drying, sit under a hooded dryer or use a diffuser. What? Oh yeah, guys, this gel, if you didn't know, has glitter in it. So if you are not a glitter lover, don't get it. It doesn't show up as much as I hoped it would for a glitter gel, but you can tell that it does have glitter in it. I'm not sure about the wash and go, but I did use it on a bun that I did when I went to work, and I could see the glitter. So keep that in mind. Here, my hair is not looking too bad here. It's got a little shine to it, and the slip is pretty good. The definition is still a fluffier definition. It isn't really defined like I would say the other gel was. I will say though that in this gel's defense, my curls are looser the first wash after I've straightened my hair. So, I mean, that may have something to do with it. It may not, I don't know. But my curls typically are looser the first or second wash after straightening. It just takes my hair a couple 2 to 3 washes after straightening to get it back to its normal curl pattern. Some people may call that heat damage, some people not. I call it not necessarily heat damage. I just think that your hair is trained so much. After so many washes, your hair is trained to go back to that curl as long as you continue to keep it curled. And if it's straight, it stays straighter longer. When I was straightening my hair for back to back for a period of time, it would stay straight. It wouldn't revert back. With the heat or sweating, it wouldn't revert back as quickly. And like I said, I think it's just training your hair to go one way or the other. I am blow drying my hair without the diffuser. I feel like it just takes too long. I have a hooded dryer as well. I use that periodically, just not today. Okay guys, this is the final look. It is about 80% dry. My hair is about 80% dry. I'm not completely in love. You'll see my facial expressions at the end. Not 100% in love with this gel. I'll try it again. I'll layer it next time. Let me know how you guys like this video. Let me know how you guys like the outcome. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.